Anniversary Special Edition Nighttime Spectacular Momentous Party in the Night Sky. Each of us lives a lifetime filled with magical moments, shaping us into who we become and gifting us with what we leave behind. Tonight, we celebrate those moments, inspiring us to live life to the fullest and to cherish every memory. To fully enjoy this performance, the lighting around the castle will dim. For your safety and that of others, please remain where you are until the lighting returns to normal. Our celebration of a lifetime, momentous party in the night sky, will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Party of all. To make it sparkle, grand and bright, Mickey needs magic and friends tonight. Bibbidi, bobbidi, changes might be nice. We'll make it blue. Oh, no, dear. Make it pink. Make it blue. Make it pink. Blue, pink.
哦，看看你们做的好事。
A party needs a joyful sound. A little magic makes music extra sweet.
哇，真係好精彩啊！依家有請樂隊出場。係啦，發生咩事啊？
most magical party to be, you must spend it with friends and family.
Family 加埋佢，今晚就會變成快樂幸福嘅奇妙派對。